my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to whiten a white backdrop using GIMP. Now I've got this image open up in GIMP and it looks like the background was supposed to be white, but it's kind of yellowed a little bit. And this can happen if you don't have the white balance settings set perfectly on your image or on your camera. And so what I'm going to do is try to get that yellow to turn white. And we're going to do this by basically throwing away information from the highlight spectrum of the image. So we're going to go to Colors, Levels, and here you can see sort of a histogram of where most of the color is. Most of it's in the midtones here. So I'm going to grab the arrow that's all the way up toward the white and begin bringing it down. And as I do this, you'll notice the background getting a lot whiter. The image is also getting quite a bit brighter and it's getting a little bit more contrasty. Now you can kind of fight this a little bit using the mid-tone slider, try to get that back to a level that you'd like. But since we're throwing this information away and we're basically saying this is now equaling white, a lot of the yellows in the skin tones will begin to get quite a bit brighter and a little more contrasty. So just bear that in mind while you're doing this. So that looks pretty good, and we'll close out the dialog box and our background is now totally white. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to whiten your white backdrops using GIMP. I'm Josiah Ray.